Welcome back.
Hey, Connie. You got anything for me?
Yeah, I got something. Me and me mates, we're launching a coordinated attack on Albion. We'll have 7 teams raiding their storehouses throughout London. We'll weaken their forces and destroy their weapon supplies.
So what? I join one of your teams and shoot up some Albion warehouse?
A team? No, you're Aiden Pierce. I want you to take on storehouse number 8, solo.
Of course. So, how much do you pay for a solo mission?
I'll have a little Leto for you, but we don't have much spare right now.
All right. Just tell me where to go.
Albion is always watching. Your security...
Okay, team number 8. I'm sending you coordinates for the storehouse.
Yeah, my team will head over. I'm here. Are the other teams ready?
Almost. Okay, let the raids begin.
Kiss your tech goodbye.
Kind of prick.
Search this area.
They're long gone. Tag local cameras, maybe they're on CTOS.
Get going. Let's shut things down.
Any luck yet? Fuck! They have vanished!
Don't do anything you'll regret. By any means necessary.
Time to power down.
Bloody hell.
Worthless cunt.
Spit out and find the bastard! Drone, begin a search.
Please stop! There are innocent people here!
One down.
Shit, I need help!
I'm
Checking his
recruiting.
last
Cover
known
me.
location.
Last place I saw them. Check it out.
Where the hell could he have gone? Go, track him down!
Begin searching.
Eyes open, they could be anywhere.
Take the power back.
Looks like the security has been deceived.
What a fuck up. They've got...
Reminder, it is illegal to participate in gathering.
Two down. Supplies destroyed. What makes you think this will have any impact on Albion?
Yeah, it'll slow them down for a few days, but more than that, we need to show them that London isn't going to roll over just yet.
Engaging hostile target. Control mode reinitiated.
Let's make things interesting.
Aiden, Team 5 needs help. They were finishing up their raid near Camden High Street, but I lost them. Could you check it out? You're the only one who can make it there in time.
The deal was to sabotage Albion supplies, not save a team who couldn't hold their own. Triple my pay, then we'll talk.
You're worried about money. I told you we don't have much Ito to spare. Look, my mates are... Albion could kill them.
Lots of Londoners need help, but I need to get paid.
Fine. I'll triple the Ito. Just help them, please.
Should we?
Connie, I found Team 5. They're not dead. Yet. Just arrested.
Well, get them out of there.
Kiss your tech goodbye.
All right. I want that kid left. This area is restricted!
All units, I say again, all units, we have reports of a hostile in your area, over. Got it. Watch for hostiles,
Taking
people.
fire! Reloading! Help, please! Big motherfucker, I come through!
Control, we have a seriously injured officer.
Friends are safe.
Thank God.
Wait. Isn't there an Albion checkpoint near here?
Oh, God, right. If they're scanned, they'll get flagged and arrested again. You'd have saved them for nothing. And I've got nothing left to pay you.
Then let's hope they don't get scanned.
Aiden, please.
I'll think about it.
No sign of the target. Over.
I'm telling you one more time.
Terminating pursuit and coming back.
Let's shut things down.
Control, situation may escalate. Call for
Control to
assistance.
all units. Possible hostiles near your location. Received. Moving in hostile direction.
Shit! Officer down! Officer down!
I should get out of here.
They've crossed the checkpoint.
Fucking hell!
Be advised, we are on the trail.
Time to power down.
So, what? You disabled that checkpoint free of charge?
Consider it a package deal.
Maybe you do have a heart. Thanks, Aiden.
Don't get used to it.
Finally managed to get to one of the
Yeah.
the other night. To watch him.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, whatever.
This is bad.
Moron!
Hey, Aiden. I have a question.
Go ahead.
That weekend you took us all out to the country. When I was a kid. And on the way, we got run off the road.
I don't want to talk about this.
About what? About the crash or about my sister?
Let's find this son
Look.
of a bitch!
Did you know those guys were after you? And that's why you took us? I'm not angry, I just want to know. You never said.
Yeah. It was a mistake. I ran when I should have fought. I didn't commit to what I had to do. The man I had to be. I never made that mistake again.
What about the mistake that got us there in the first place? Robbing whoever it was you robbed.
I don't know, Jackson. Same answer.
You ever wish you'd committed to being that other guy?
All the time.
Aiden, I got us a lead.
Really? How?
I figured Wrench wouldn't be the type to steer clear of the authorities for very long, so I went poking around in Albion's body cam archives. And look what I found. Look behind him. That's Brixton. And I don't see that drone he rides around on anywhere, which probably means he's close to home.
Good eye. But not enough to go on yet. Even if you're right, he's too careful. And if we spend too long looking around, he'll notice and run. We have to narrow it down.
Hang on. Yeah, I've got just the thing for that. I'm dropping you a pin. Start moving.
Where am I going?
Here. Watch this.
Reports are coming in that a masked terrorist has set off a blast at a Rampart Automated Defense Systems facility here in the capital. Terrorism experts have identified the man pictured here as an American DedSec operative known as the Wrench. London's own DedSec cell was dismantled following their cowardly attack on the city less than a month ago. So now we must ask, has the Wrench come to London to finish what they started?
He might have left something behind at the Rampart facility.
Exactly. See what you can turn up.
Hey, Jackson. If you had any more questions about anything that happened before, if that would help you, you can ask them.
I do. Too many for right now, though. But would that help you?
I think it might help both of us.
Okay, well, let's try one out.
Oh, God. Well, I've had a hard time remembering what things were like before it happened. Can't even remember what I was like.
I was pretty young, but, well, Mom always used to call me Aiden by accident. I guess we were a lot alike as kids. So maybe you were a bit like me when you were my age, too.
Guess I wasn't so bad then.
Don't give yourself too much credit. I'm still better looking.
All right, looks like I beat the rubberneckers at least.
Probably not for long. You'll want to be in and out.
What the hell happened here?
Looks like he modified the robot's friend or foe identification. They just shot at anything that moved.
Reckless. Look at this place. Civilians could have been hurt.
Yeah. The sooner we find this guy, the better.
I'll hack into their BIOS, dig through their data, and see if we can't find where they dumped their camera logs.
Copy that.
Let's make things interesting.
Nah, forget it. Done. Let's lock down that vehicle.
I shop, we have a hacker.
I know you're here somewhere.
Drone, spread out and search.
All right, let's go.
Nothing on this one. Checking the video. Nada.
All right, let's go. Take the power back.
That cube.
Sweep the area!
Do your thing. Get going. Time to power down.
Mind the little shit who thinks they can hack our vehicles.
No room for error here. You are coming with me one way or another. Nothing in the vicinity.
Found it.
Looking.
Marking the camera log server. Let's have a look in there and see if any of these little guys caught a glimpse of the wrench.
Nothing here. They could
I'm
be
gonna find
anywhere.
you, and I won't be in a good mood when I do.
Where the hell are they? Don't see
Take the power back.
Done for now. Hey, hey! Careful! Shot fired!
All right, hack in there. Let's see what we can find.
Shit. Looks like he wiped their cameras.
It gets worse. You just tripped a script payload that locked you in there.
What the hell?
Hello, Thomas. Looking for this? Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna? Is he gonna do it? Sucks, right? Look, man. I know all about your little scam involving the Mark IIs. All I gotta do is smash this thing, and you lose your company, and go to jail. Would you, though? I mean, sure, you'd probably get arrested, maybe even convicted. You'd lose some money, but you'd still be rich. So you do what? 4 months? No. No. I didn't go through all this just to set you back. I want to fuck you the way you fucked me, with a sandpaper condom on my fist. So that's why I'm going to crush your whole business model instead. I'm going to reverse engineer this thing. And then I'm going to put your thought-controlled killbot design on the internet for free. That way, anyone who wants one can steal it. Happy day.
Looks like Wrench left this as a trap for Rempart, and I stumbled into it.
I can't do anything from here. Give me a minute. I'll come help.
No, don't. I can handle it. Just give me a minute.
Did you catch that? Stop that spider! Lock it down!
Let's get to work.
Detecting non-compliant device. Target identified. Initiating search protocol.
Kiss your tech goodbye. I'm out.
That guy in the video was like an internet troll crawled out of the internet. That's who we're chasing?
He's a bit more dangerous than that. Do you see any clues to his location on that video?
I'm scrubbing it now. No windows, no takeout containers. Hang on. Yes! Is that? Yes! I got him!
Really? How?
You can start heading to Brixton if you want to get moving. I'll explain on the way.
All right. Tell me what I'm doing in Brixton.
Go back and watch the video. Right in the corner of his workbench, you can see an Arduino board connected to one of his gadgets.
Arduino? So he's controlling his gadgets with radio waves, probably through an optic. How does that help?
It doesn't, unless you can get into high-frequency radio range. Then all you have to do is ping every nearby object. Whenever you have a high concentration of objects with a low latency ping back, you've got a big collection of Arduino boards.
And a whole arsenal of gadgets. And since we already know he's in Brixton...
All you have to do is go there, and I can use the Arduino pingback to find his hideout.
Great work, Jackson.
So I've been thinking, when this is done, you and me should probably sit down and really talk about things.
Sure. I'd like that.
But I do have a question now. If that's all right.
About Lena?
No, it's that... Well, you don't look good, Aiden. I'm worried about you. When are you going to stop all this?
Thanks. I keep trying to retire. Never takes.
There's a lot of ways to help people. I've helped a lot of people, and I've never shot anyone.
Can we talk about this later?
Yeah. Just think a little bit about an exit strategy, okay? Because right now, every end of this thing I can see looks pretty bleak. All right, you're real close now. All those gadgets are routed through the local CTOS hub. Find the hub, and I can pinpoint the exact location.
You got it. This whole area's wide open. That'll be a problem if he gets on that drone of his.
Already on that. All the drones in London are on a CTOS air traffic control system. I just need to hack a local relay and reboot it. Should ground everything for a few minutes.
It's not worth exposing yourself for. Rempart's still looking for you. Keep your head down.
I'll be fine. Also, I left 20 minutes ago. So it's a moot point.
Jackson, how's that drone controller coming? Jackson, come back. Where are you? That's it. I'm aborting. Coming to you.
No. Bad idea, bud.
What the hell are you doing on this channel?
I told you. When I found Jackson, I wanted you to see it, so you would believe me. Say hello to Uncle Aiden.
I'm sorry, Aiden. I fucked up.
Oh, poor little cabbage. You'll be staying with me until you bring me the broker bridge. This makes your bargaining position clear, right?
I've already found Wrench. I'll have it in 30 minutes.
Good. Kill him, and I'll pay you $1 million on top of giving Jackson back. I'm serious.
Get going.
There.
Kiss your tech goodbye.
No way. I have better things to do.
Spread out. We'll nail this one.
Nothing's here. I'll look somewhere else.
Hey, Aiden. In the spirit of friendly whatever we are, just thought I'd let you know that that's not my real safe house you're outside of right now. It's nope, it's decoy. It's it's decoy.
It's over, Wrench. Tell me where you are.
No can do. Oh, and if any security drones show up, just know they'll leave you alone as soon as you go away. So, please go away.
Not going to happen.
Lock that vehicle down.
You're making this worse than yourself. You're dead.
Let's make things interesting.
I'm pinned down. Oh.
All right, so yeah, that is my real safe house. You got me. But of course, I had an emergency exit. I mean, could you imagine if I didn't have another way out of here? How dumb would I have to be? I mean, pretty dumb.
Yeah, that's...
Hey, people are watching. Fucking hate this.
You could have called first. Hey, come on. We're on the same side here.
Broke a bridge. Now.
There.
Really?
Asshole. Okay, hang on. Hang on! Just... No mask. No wrench. Just Reggie. Look, you can't give that thing to Rampart. Whatever deal you have with him, he's gonna try to fuck you over. Believe me, I would know.
He's not stupid. He knows who I am.
He knew who I was too. That's why he was interested in my company. He said he read about my rumored DedSec connections in a Wired article.
You designed the robots.
Yeah. I know robots, but he knew business. He had this whole speech about space flight and human evolution and I completely fucking fell for it.
Yeah, I heard part of the story. So what? Now you want revenge?
No. Well, yes. But mostly I'm just tired of fucking criminals and con men running the world. I don't know what I want, exactly. I just know he can't win.
Sorry, Reggie, I have no choice. For what it's worth, I spent my life fighting people like Wimpart. Doesn't work.
So what? We're all supposed to just give up?
No, you shouldn't. Some fights are worth losing. Rempart, it's me. I've got your broker bridge. Put Jackson on.
Cool. He's right here.
Aiden, I'm fine. Don't let this asshole tell you what to do.
That's enough for now. You are so close to being through this, Aiden. Don't fuck it up.
All right, Thomas. I'm on my way.
You're being very trusting. For all you know, I could be planning to kill you and your nephew.
You said your people looked into me. What did they find?
That there are a lot of stories about the fearsome Aiden Pierce. Most people say that all the violence in Chicago is just a regular gang war that got blamed on some boogeyman called the Fox. But having met you, I believe the myth. After Chicago, they say you went global for a few years. I found a few links between you and the murder of some warlords, blood diamond traders, dictators. A dozen more rumors of the same. And that brings us more or less to the present day. But what does any of this have to do with you walking in here and simply trusting me to honor our deal?
Look at it this way. If even half of what you said is true, is crossing me really worth the risk?
You know what? I agree. There's no angle in it. Bring me the broker bridge, and this is all over.